gonna do a prank on my husband. I'm not gonna talk to him. He's coming. I'm not gonna talk to him during the video, okay? And I'm gonna see what happens, okay? Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have a requested meal today, which is white rice with Bulla beef, and we had to add the plantains. You know we love plantains. Which subscriber suggested this or recommended this?
Raised to Bless.
Raised to Bless. Shout out to you. Thank you so much for recommending this. We are going to devour it. And if you guys want to know how my husband prepared this, there will be a link in the description for the video separate. Remember, guys, that I had said that we're going to do a separate video for cooking it. So this way, you know, if you want to see how we cook it, you can. And if you don't, you can just watch this video. I hope everyone is having a great Tuesday. And
Oh, you tell me now. Pass. Oh, you gotta eat the next one again? Okay. If it never tastes good, you wouldn't eat it. Alright, now you can talk now. I told her to be quiet.
no, you do not.
You talk too much sometimes. Like, now you could talk. Now you can speak. Go ahead. How is it? I'm telling you, the coconut oil. You know I gotta get the grace right there again.
All right. I can't not talk to you.
Yeah. Cause I was just gonna eat. I just want you to be quiet that I could eat.
Whatever.
But it didn't work.
It's really good.
You tricked me.
It's really good.
I know.
Yes, I was pranking you.
Huh? You were
but
pranking?
I can't not talk to you.
But you know what? It backfired because I shouldn't say nothing because I should make you be quiet.
Oh my goodness. It tastes really good. The coconut oil, that's what really set it off. It's that coconut oil.
There you go now. You got your meal. Very easy. Not even 10 minutes.
Not even 10 minutes. This is a great weekday meal. If you have kids.
Easy.
Yeah, if you have kids and you don't know what to cook.
Yeah.
If you have a rice cooker, oh my gosh.
More even faster.
Even better.
Got it free-handed, you know?
Put the rice cooker on, cook this real quick. And while it's simmering down, you go take a shower. Get the kids in, taking a shower. And then you eat and you're done.
I know you just started eating too. You didn't even enjoy the thing yet.
Oh, my outfit of the day?
Yes.
Okay, guys.
Now we could continue.
Go ahead and check out my outfit of the day.
Chocolate milk. I like 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 chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back.
I hope you guys liked my outfit of the day. I love orange. I think orange on brown, dark, medium skin. Any of our queens out there, it just looks great on our skin. I love orange.
Look great on your skin, man. I like when it look pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, the color.
All the colors.
See?
This is so simple.
Simple and easy. This is a good meal. Quick meal.
Yeah.
Right?
Very quick. Great suggestion. Trust me.
Great suggestion.
Again, if you guys have anything that you want to see us eat, link it down below, and we will make it our way.
But I'm not eating no pork. She is. Right, First
I
Lady?
can make some smothered pork chops in the man.
Yeah, you can make it nice and you just put it in your stomach.
I love smothered pork chops.
Damn. Take my time. Yo,
How was work?
long weekend. Today is my Friday.
It's almost like the coconut oil is like
like the coconut oil is what make the rice.
yeah, right. I was gonna say that, but I was waiting for you to finish. It's like the coconut oil is what's making the rice taste extra good. Well, gooder.
See?
That coconut oil.
That's how much we love the family now, because they getting all the secrets, you know? Now you know I don't give up my secrets. You know that. Yeah, I don't give up my secret, but y'all getting it. It's all good.
Guys, you see I took my hair out. I did a slick back bun.
Slick back bun.
I feel like every time we come and we do a video, I feel like
The thing is, it's fine.
it's fine.
Yeah. Yeah, just my thing move my farm. Slick back bun. You have money. You have money for go do hair?
Yep, in your pocket. You put some thyme in here too.
Everything, man. Mix up.
I love the vegetable
The sweet pepper them. Nice.
because you know why? It's like again it gets absorbed with the coconut oil.
That's what I'm trying to tell you. It's like the rice made out of the coconut oil.
Yeah. You know you can make coconut rice, coconut milk rice.
The plant them already. How much plant you got already?
I didn't count no plantain. And again, don't forget, if you guys try this and make it, please send us a video.
Yeah.
Send a DM me on 2NV Shanice on Instagram.
Our Instagram. DM her. Okay.
I was talking to
Your Instagram is my Instagram?
yeah. I was talking to my cousin yesterday, and she said my baby cousin who's like 2 years old.
Yeah.
Before they start eating, she goes, "Okay, guys, let's start eating."
What? Wow.
And everything she do, let's start singing. Let's start reading. Everything is let's start. I was like, oh, because they watch the video.
And she's only 2.
She's only 2. I think that's so cute.
And she know the work the thing too, you know?
She know how to work the what is it? The phone, the laptop. I'm full.
Full for real.
You ain't no fool.
No, I'm serious. Full man.
So you gonna start doing the same nonsense?
No, I'm serious this time. This ain't no joke. This ain't no prank. Eat some till it go down.
I'm done.
There go the video.
If you done, I'm done.
Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new, you know what to do. You done too? Cause I'm done enough.
If you're done,
If I'm done, you're
done.
done? Yeah, I'm done and the food not done it, man.
When you done, I done.
Yeah, done, man.
You can't finish leave me. You mad?
One day I'm just gonna come and sit down and watch you eat.
So who am I supposed to talk to?
Your family.
Oh yeah. My bad. I'm sorry.
How much she got scared enough? She thought I was done for real?
I was done too. Where you go, I go.
Mm-hmm.
Or so you go.
Yeah, man. Yo, what am I done the food that tastes so nice? This was a good request. Trust me.
I love the butterness of the
That's what I'm trying to tell you,
what's
man.
it called? The rice. I forgot the name of the rice.
That's what I'm trying to tell you.
I love it.
Serious, right? That's all.
There's no, I mean, one thing,
1 to 5. How much you give this?
I give this a 10.
All right.
One thing
Right.
is most Caribbean people, and probably other cultures as well, they know how to make something out of nothing.
For nothing. Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Yep.
They know how to make, they can take $20 and get about 5 meals out of there.
True.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Trust me.
Yep.
Because you probably already have rice in your house. You already have green pepper and tomato, all that stuff.
Mm-hmm. Just
And
gotta
the
put it
Bulla
together.
beef is $4 for the Bulla beef.
Yeah. Just gotta put it together.
Simple. And this can feed a family of 4 or 5.
Yeah.
And if you really want to stretch it, that's how I love it, is to add cabbage to it. My husband doesn't like it with cabbage, but I love it with cabbage.
Yeah, I don't like with cabbage.
Yeah. I like it this way too, but I prefer it with cabbage, especially when the cabbage is not too cooked out.
Mm-hmm.
And then the next day, what I do is I eat it with some hardo bread and some hot chocolate. Oh my God. Or some tea.
You don't want the cabbage.
Man.
You can't take the cabbage part. Every time you put the cabbage, I say take the cabbage.
No, what I used to do,
Make it half and half.
was make half and half. I would make half because he's spoiled. So I would make half without any cabbage, and then the other half I would make with cabbage for me. And if the kids then wanted with cabbage,
Go on top, let me eat.
you know something spoil you?
Mm-hmm.
He's coming now. He got something to say. Watch.
I can't even say.
Yeah.
Food nice, man. Right.
It's very good.
Decent. I'm just telling you.
Guys, if you make this, I'm telling you, family, if you make this,
Trust me.
make sure you use coconut oil.
Yeah. Coconut oil is a hit.
Matter of fact, any dish you make, transfer to coconut oil. Use coconut oil. It makes such a big difference. I promise you.
Sure do.
I just love how I look with this orange sweater. I feel that my hair slicked back.
Here, I'll leave it here out. I'll give it a proper afro. Yeah. Why you never do that?
Because I gotta wash it. When I take my hair out,
Did you like the chicken foot video?
that was so good.
Oh gosh.
It was so good. You have to go watch that.
That chicken foot video. Huh?
When I take out my hair, I don't wash it right away. I wait like a week and then I wash it. Give my hair a break because it's been in braids. That's just me.
You done? Come on, pull over thing to my side now.
Go ahead.
Here, to the back there.
I don't know why even bother.
I'm waiting on you now. I want to see what you gonna do now. Alright, you want some of that?
I'll take this right here.
There you go, put a video, so 2 hours gone and I'm still eating.
2 hours later. No.
Yo, this is so good, man. Yo, your love look.
You're very handsome.
Go on here. Your love look probably. Name your food, man. Let's have a probably. This shit. All I'm gonna say is,
Let me hear you.
don't want to say the F-bomb. Yo. I don't know. But yo, yeah. I can't believe
It's
it.
really
Look how
good.
long people ask me what a secret man. Just give it a secret now. It's worth it, though. Worth it. Then we can't beat it. We can't eat this.
Listen. We eat everything.
I told you. I told you the measurement today when I went on the thing, right?
What measurement? Your weight?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Can't tell them.
You lost it right back.
Yeah.
You lucky.
I lost it right back.
Take me a month to lose 5 pounds.
You don't want to lose it? Tell you, I'm gonna start making you run.
I work out.
I'm gonna get you a bicycle.
I work out, but
Double bicycle and let she pedal. I'll sit in the back.
you just don't look at my ass.
Look at kids that watch the video.
That's okay.
Party with the body.
That's why you want to sit in the back. You tell Cookie say you want to sit in the back?
My eye. My eye yearns.
Oh my god.
You full?
I'm full. Because no, listen. Before you came home,
You ate time.
a small bowl of cereal because I was starting to get a headache. And I didn't know what time he's gonna come home. He was coming home late. And I was like, But I should have just drank some water. But it's nothing like having a headache like that.
Yeah.
Like when you don't eat and you have this headache, it's not a normal headache.
I know.
I pepper this?
You don't bite that pepper knife.
I want it. Excuse me.
And we going on the next road trip. Y'all see. Y'all see again. I love the road trip. Come on.
It's not that hot.
No, pepper wheat man. And so I put some grease on it.
I can fry a good door.
Yeah man.
I like how you gave me all of them.
How you like Pat's thin already?
He gave me all of them and then he's gonna complain.
Damn. You're going nice today, no?
I did? I feel like I barely ate.
Not me.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I feel like I barely ate today, but
Raised to bless. Thank you for this recipe and requesting it.
yes,
It was very good.
it was.
Hope you like it like how we like it, okay? Alright. See before.
Leave my line alone. Mind yourself. I know that there are millions of True.
Friga yo. Catch your boy, you go and drink the
So
water.
we can't drink my water.
Go on, man. Go on, chat.
I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch us. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you next time for another mukbang.
Bye.